Samsung
Galaxy Tab
S6
Lite.
Holding the unit for the first time
I like it. Premium feel to it.
The bezels are perfectly sized.
with its all-metal design.
And these book covers come in 3 sleek colors, and on top of that, you can actually store the pen in there.
It does look pretty good. Get an S Pen included in the box.
It's completely battery-free. This particular S Pen has a rubber tip.
doesn't make any noise at all.
Writing is just smooth. It glides across the screen.
Fantastic.
Or you have to annotate documents every day, this tablet could be perfect.
While you're watching a full screen videos, you can take notes without disturbing the video lecture. That's very cool. And you can actually record your own on-screen note-taking and drawings and then send it to people. This feature will be extremely useful for teachers.
Colorful and crispy.
And the tablet has a 5:3 aspect ratio, having smaller black bars surrounding your content a lot of the time.
The 2 AKG tuned speakers sound really good too.
And just under $400.
Is that it includes the S Pen? No separate purchase needed.
And this is a great deal.
So,
One of the best tablets around.
This is an easy recommendation for student, and it definitely has my thumbs up.
All right, so let's get a golf clap up in here for Samsung.